Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm doing something pretty cool. I am letting this crew film the Supra in this music video that they're doing. So right now I'm just hanging out and waiting for the crew to finish up the previous scene. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna get a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll do an update later on whenever I get the details of everything, and then I'll find out whenever this video is going to come out. So I'll post that in the description. I'll probably say it on screen as well. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait out and see what they have planned for the car. So yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll give you guys an update afterwards. Hey, what's up guys? I figured I would do some, I guess, overdubbing, showing you part of the scenes, explaining kind of what's going on behind it, while I have the whole video going. So let's first talk about this picture right here. This picture, all it is, it's right when I pulled up on the street, Dakota started setting up just his equipment, so that way we can shoot pretty much the intro of the song. So leading into it, right here you can see Dakota walking across the street, and this is literally just the first shot of the beginning of the song. And then right there when the door opens, that's when he decided to cut it. Alright, this next one, this is the trunk scene, so you're gonna see a lot of like videos or clips from it where she's like opening the trunk, looking at stuff, and singing into it, as you can see. This next part, this one is actually pretty cool. He was trying to get a reverse shot. You can see it in one part, like a clip coming up, where you will see it in the video that I show. It's doing it in real time, but in the actual video, it's reversed down. He just reversed it. Alright, this next picture, it's she's in front of the car. This is more of the long shot of the video, where she has her hands on her hips. You'll see in a second. The one little funny thing about this, he wanted the Supra moved in a different spot because he didn't like seeing the Prius behind it. So that was kind of funny, but he decided to like use a different lens and then just shoot this spot and then get on to another section.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, so right here, I didn't have the actual clip of her on the part where she actually has her hands on her hips, but this next section, Dakota is actually trying to have her be a little bit more natural, so you're gonna hear some of his commentary right on this part.
Let's go ahead and go back to your original position there. I think with your walking, think like it's just like slow motion, just really slow.
Yeah, I feel like I kind of.
Like I said, this lens exaggerates movement, so you were like basically off the cam, like out of the frame, or like you kind of like you kind of like on the edge of the frame. So I really want you to just like really just like kind of rocking your hips back and forth, just like taking it slow.
Okay.
You know, really. It's gonna feel weird you kind of walking like this, but trust me, like you are making forward movement in the lens. Yeah.
So the lens is like a slow mo.
Yeah, the lens is just like really tight on her,
Okay.
and it like exaggerates the plane of view.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we just got done, or they just got done filming a majority of the video, and now it's lunchtime. Picked up some sandwiches. We're gonna eat. So gonna get back to the place and then finish up the rest of it. We should be done by 4 p.m. Alright, and then of course we had lunch. I talked about that. And this next scene, the porch scene. So this one, he also wanted to get like a reverse kind of shot. You can kind of see in the video where she throws down the basket that she's carrying. He did it in a way where she throws it down, and then it gets like reversed up. You can tell a little bit on this next clip. I'll point it out.
1, 2, 3.
Right here. That part was actually all reversed. Alright guys, so I have another update. They just finished filming at the first location, and now they're going to do some driving shots. So guess who's going to be driving? Me. So he wants to get some shots in a couple different areas, and he's supposed to be trying to get a drone shot going downtown. So this is going to be pretty cool. Hopefully it turns out pretty well. So I'll see you in the next update. Alright, here's the driving shot. It's probably my favorite part of the whole entire shoot. Just driving down different neighborhoods. You can see right here, this dog just naturally runs out and he's barking at it. Dakota thought that was really cool when he was flying the drone. Now, one thing that we didn't get was drone footage going straight on Korean vets downtown. We didn't have time to do it, which sucked. This next part, you'll see this picture right here. He took a still video shot of the front of the tire. As you can see, that he wanted to have the car float in the video. And then this part, this is like towards the end of the shoot, and it is just cold out. Right here, he's oh man, he's cold. Literally just like, hey, we're getting through it, just breathe, you know, kind of stuff. Yeah, this shot was really cool, having that scene behind him. Alright guys, I'm back at the house. I just dropped off the Supra. We finished filming around like 4:20 or 4:30 or so. So I had to pee. I really had to drive back. I was holding it for a little bit, but that's besides the point. But today was pretty cool. It's pretty neat just to see my car get all hammed up and stuff on camera. And yeah, most of the shots I did today, well, all the shots that I've done today were all on my phone. I don't know why I didn't get my GoPro out, but that's okay. Anyway, we do have another shoot on Wednesday night, so that's gonna be over at the studio. So I'm gonna be filming some stuff there. So I'll catch you guys Wednesday night. And then now we're in the studio on Wednesday. I didn't have like any kind of introductory, so I don't know why, but this part, it was kind of cool. All of the shots that you see, like the sky footage when she's inside of the car, it's literally just off a projector. So it was pretty sick. Really simple, but effective.
Or what we can do, let's bring this light.
In this part, yeah, you'll see me like come in, like zoom in behind the back glass. He's literally just sitting back there. And this part, this driving section coming up is really cool. Right here, he had the two guys just move some of the light around to try to get that ambient like sun like going by your windows or whatever, you know, different lighting. And here's the final part of the storm, and you'll see when it kicks in. It's just really sick. And then right there, that's projector right up on the chair. But yeah, that's literally the whole behind the scenes video shoot. It was really fun. He actually just hit me up on Facebook. He saw it in one of the car groups that I'm in, and out of all the cars that got posted, he liked mine the most. And yeah, it was a very fun experience. Dakota's really good to work with. Hopefully we can work again in the future, and it'd be cool. The more videos that Jasmine like puts out, it'd be sick if she like wants to tie the Supra in on those videos again. Kind of have like a few videos with it in there. Of course, I want to upgrade the wheels and stuff like that, so it looks a little more cool next time. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. It's something completely different that I do, and I do need to get better about like actually filming and talking on shoots like this. Everything was so new to me, so I was just like, what do I do? But yeah, if anyone wants to have my car in their videos too, just hit me up. We can probably work something out. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.